right, this is at O'Hare. These are very busy. This is at Terminal 2. Oh, we got 2 different ones. Here, I'll take this one. Y'all can take the other. You too. They're both here. You still going up?
Yeah. I don't know what these things are.
Where are you trying to go? Check in?
No. Uber.
Uber?
It's up one though.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah. I saw my husband up there. He came down the escalator. I just thought it was too down because we went up 2. Oh, we're back down to that. Okay.
Well, good luck.
It's okay. Thank you.
Take care. Up. Down? Oh, I guess they're both going up. Okay. I don't know if you can see in there. Woo! Epco. A lot going on. Wheels locked. LL. Wait, it just skipped her. I thought she was going down. Maybe she didn't push the button. I don't know. Anyway, I guess no elevator for her.
It's going up?
Yeah. That's gonna be